Hi, I'm Realtor Scott Tompkins, and welcome to Home Buying Unboxed, fresh tips for home buyers. Today's topic, closing day. When do I get keys? At this point in the home buying process, you're through inspections and any repair negotiations. The appraisal has come back, and you're super excited to move into your new home. Just remember that your lender still has to get you through final underwriting and loan approval, so as a reminder, you should limit your spending to necessary life stuff. Please don't make any major purchases like appliances unless your loan officer says it's okay. If you haven't already done so, you should confirm the cost of home insurance to be in place by your closing date. Our area is prone to earthquakes, so you may wish to look into earthquake insurance. I personally have an earthquake insurance rider on my homeowner's insurance. Also, if you're paying cash for your home, remember that you won't have a mortgage company paying your homeowner's insurance on your behalf from an escrow account. Please make sure you do arrange for insurance on your new home. Remember to contact all utility providers to have services put in your name by your closing date. I'll email you a list of providers for your address along with their contact information. Our contract gives buyers the right to conduct a walkthrough of the home within 5 days of closing. I'll coordinate with you on scheduling this. Sometimes it makes sense to do a second walkthrough even on the morning of closing. For example, if the sellers have not removed personal property that they were supposed to. Make sure to change your address and start having your mail forwarded at the post office. Also, it's a good idea to have your locks changed or rekeyed soon after closing. Okay, now on to what you really want to know. When do you get the keys? Our contract has a closing date and a possession date. These are usually the same day, but can be different. Technically, you're entitled to access to the home at 9 p.m. on the possession date. Often, the sellers depart the home before 9 p.m., and you can get keys before then, but this isn't guaranteed. And it may be a good idea to schedule your movers to unload the next day. Thank you for taking time to watch this 7-part series, which I hope has given you a meaningful overview of what you can expect during the home buying process when I'm your agent. If you have any questions about the home buying process, text, call, or email me anytime. And if anyone in your world is looking for an awesome agent, please consider sharing my contact information. Home buying can seem scary, but it's so worth it. And remember, I'm 100% dedicated to protecting you throughout the process, and I'll be with you every step of the way. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching, and happy house hunting.